everybody, welcome back to another Buzz with Your Cuz. We have a very special episode today. Why? Theresa's coming back. If you remember the Manhattan video, she got super inspired by that. I think we all did, but we need to change it up a little bit. So today we're gonna have Theresa come in and make an old fashioned. We have some bitters here. We have oranges, limes, lemons. We have all sorts of things. But I said one thing we have to make sure is that we're using Woodford Reserve for our old fashioned. Definitely the bourbon or the rye whiskey that you use to make your old fashioned is going to influence the flavor. I like Woodford because it's a nice, smooth drink. It's not very expensive, very unpretentious, and it goes well with all of the things that we have here. Let's see what she comes up with. All right, so we have our glass. Let's get our orange twist. Yep, there we go. 2 ounces of that wonderful aromatic Woodford bourbon. A few dashes of bitters. I wonder, I think she's going for the spiced cherry bitters. Should be a nice twist. All right, there we go. We're gonna get our sugar in there. And roughly half a teaspoon should do it. There we go. Muddle till it's dissolved. There you go, stir it. Well, everybody says about 30 seconds. Sometimes I can't wait that long myself. All right, it looks like it's nice and chilled. Great job. Let's see what it tastes like.
I'm so short.
Yeah, well, I mean, looks pretty good. You want to take a smell?
It smells like those oranges.
It smells just like a freshly peeled orange. Mm-hmm. I like it. You could also smell a little bit of the bitters, like it's opening up.
How did I do?
Okay. It's nicely balanced. That Woodford is shining, slightly sweet, slightly bitter. I like it.
I feel like I should go on my tippy toes. All right. Pretty smooth. I love bourbon and I love the Woodford brands.
Yeah, bourbon's back. You know what? You did make a major mistake here.
What?
You only made 1 glass, now you don't have any.
I know. I know. But do you like our new bitters that we got?
I love the bitters. I'm glad that we got, well, this is the spiced cherry here. Mm-hmm. Just in case you haven't seen this, it was well worth the investment. Don't drink this. Make sure you mix it with something. That was pretty good. I definitely am gonna catch a buzz with your cuz. I recommend you try this recipe also as well. If you can't find these bitters, don't worry. Make it your own. Use whatever bitters you got. So that is your Buzz with Your Cuz.
And we will see you next week.
See you next week.
Oh no, I'm so short.